So this demand is still holding on Germany 40, and like I did say in the weekly review, we've had our daily breaker structure and we're now waiting for the pullback to take shorts into the premium of the daily range. So I'm not going to be continuing to buy here because we are at all-time highs. We've had a breaker structure, so I'm not looking to take any buys. The risk to reward up here is not going to be great. I've got no target to the left. Whole point of taking trades in the discount of the daily range is to have a clear target, and our clear target for shorts up in this area is down here to these POIs down here. So we did have this POI mitigation on Friday, but I didn't take the entry as there was a few things that make my trade entry invalid, and the liquidity was taken before the entry. So that's that. I'm not looking to take a re-entry. I'm not waiting for this to be remitigated to then take a trade there, because this POI is already mitigated. So strict rule on this is the POI has to be unmitigated. So what I'm looking for is the model session highs here with a POI there to then take down lower. So yeah, that's it for Germany 40 this morning. Pretty straightforward. We're just waiting for new POIs to form and waiting for a bit more confirmation to trade the pullback. So yeah, that's it.